Hello everyone, my name is Rahul Kumar Sharma. Today again I am with you a very brand new video topic Python data structure. There is no machine learning programming without Python data structure. We can never ever build a model without Python data structure. So this topic is very crucial. In the previous video, I showed you Python function, program reusability and many more topics. But let's stay with me for next few minutes to understand Python data structure and how you can take the advantage of Python data structure with external algorithm and with Python itself, and how you can build the model. I'll guide you in this video. So let me share my screen to explain the topics. Guys, let me share my screen and let me start from the Python data structure. So 6 topics I'm going to cover: string, list, tuples, sets, dictionary and array. These 6 topics are very crucial in Python programming, machine learning and artificial intelligence model preparation. So let me show you and start from the string. String is a sequence of character. So string is very simple thing. Let's suppose if any where you will see more than 2 character means that is called string. So Python is fun. This is a string. I would say like this is a sentence also. So in the string we want to manipulate something, we want to delete something, replace something, add something. All these kind of operations we can easily do in the Python is fun. This is a sentence. I want to use this particular thing to get the first character. So first character, let me manipulate it to the 0. So 0 is what? This is a index. This is a string variable and I am taking the first character using the index. So index 0, this means this particular code will return first character of the string, which is p, because index always start from the z. To get the y, we will use 1 here. So let me show you in the Excel file. This particular thing p, y, t, h, o, n, and these are the index here. So these are the character of the sentence and these are the indexes. Let's suppose if I want to get f. So what I need to pass in the index? 10. So let me show you. If I pass here 10, it will return me f. So first character is f. By the way, this is not the first character, but yes, because I change it to 10, so 10th character is f. If I want last character, which is exclamation mark, so I will pass index as 13. Let me change it to 13. Let me mark it to last. Last character is exclamation mark. The slice is very important. Just focus on this one. As I mentioned, index always start from the 0. So 7 colon 9. Slicing will slice and will give you the value from this range, and this range will start from 7 and will end at 8. So here what is the 7? This is p is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 means I is at the 7, S is at the 8. So I, as I mentioned here, 7 colon 9, it will return 7th character and 8th character, which is. It is already, output is already ready, so is coming here. Reverse, if we want to reverse the string, what we can do here? Minus 1. If I write minus 1 here, it will reverse this entire string. Exclamation, then n, then u, after that u, f, and entire string will reverse. Let me show you. And if I make it 2, what it will do? It will skip one character. Okay, starting from first, then skip second, then take third, skip fourth, like and so on. String methods actually in the Python there are so many methods which make the programming very easy. So let's suppose if requirement is, for example, we want to show this particular string in lower case, all the characters should be in lower, all the characters should be in uppercase. This kind of cases come when there is no case sensitive matter. So for example, my name is, doesn't matter it is uppercase, lowercase, camel case, or whatever case, name is name. If I'm entering R is small or capital, it should match. So in this case we always convert the particular string into the lowercase and incoming string also in the lowercase so that we can validate. So here text dot lower function will convert this entire string into the lowercase. This particular function will convert this entire string into the uppercase. Strip will remove the space from both side of the string. Here I don't have any space, but I'll make the space 2 character space. Here also I have how many character, 1 2 3, let me make it 2 also. So both side I have 2 character space, but this strip function will remove the space. Replace function, this replace function will take this value and this value will be replaced by the second value. So now the output will be, instead of program, program will be same, Python will be replaced by the coding. And split function will split, here I am passing space, but if let's suppose, first I will show you without space, this one how it will behave. I will show you all the function. First function all small cases, second function all upper cases. Strip function will remove the space from both side. See here, if you will see, there is no space because this space is default space, don't consider this one, but last space it one already removed, this space already removed. Next is replace. So Python will be replaced by the coding. So here Python replace Python with this one, replace program coding is amazing. Here this Python keyword was replaced by the coding keyword. Next is split. Split, I am not using any character to split this one. Default is it will split by the this space. Okay. If I put here explicit character, and this character will be used to split the value. So this particular sentence will be replaced by the space. So here I am giving, here is the space, here is the space, one more space. How, let's see how will be the output. Space, every time whenever system will find a space, system will split it. If let's suppose if I remove this one, first two will be removed. Program Python is amazing. Last two are still there. So I will remove it. You will see last one also removed. So basically the point is, if you want to split it by the P, so where is the, wherever the system will find P, it will split from that particular thing. So P is here, this one came here, P replaced, system is split this one from the P, this one also replaced by split by the P. String formatting. String formatting is very important, guys. So whenever we want to show a format of the string, let's suppose this is a string, big string, I want to fit some external values in this string, which at a time of writing the program I don't know, but maybe in future these values might come from somewhere else, maybe from the user input or from somewhere from the system. We can put some curly braces here, and in the curly braces the variable values will fit. Let me show you, remove this one for now. My name is Rahul, I am 30 years old. Okay, perfect. Let me make it Control Z. This is another syntax, but work is same. Curly braces basically will use in the string manipulation to put the variable value. Here this is different syntax, this is different syntax. Here I will remember I am putting one name only, format name. So for dot format is a function. In the function we need to pass a name. This name will go to the curly braces. We can pass multiple curly braces also. Let me comment this first line and show the output of the second line. My name is Rahul and I am 30 years old. If I want to replace the 30 year with curly braces, system will throw error because I am passing one value here and curly braces are 2 here. Let me show you. System is throwing error, replacing index 1 out of range for the positional argument tuple. So what I need to do, I need to pass here 2 values. Let me see. My name is Rahul and I am 30 years old. Regular expression, guys, this is very important thing. Just focus on this one. See, this kind of requirement usually come in the office. Let's suppose if you want to extract data from a external website, your manager gave the requirement to extract only the email ID from these website, and there are so many websites, maybe hundreds of websites. What you will do? You will do web scraping, and in the web scraping you will download all the contents from the website. Now next challenge will be, you need to extract email IDs or maybe mobile number or maybe some other format. Recently I have done this task for the weather forecasting. For the weather forecasting, used to download the content and the types of values like centigrade, and all these kind of things I have set by the regular expression to extract from the website. Here in this example, contact us at support@example.com. This is the email ID format, or this one, this is another email ID format. This one is third one. Okay, let me remove this one for now. Focus on this part. First I will run this program, then I will explain it. So basically this particular regular expression extracted the email ID from this given input. This is one email ID, comma, this is second email ID. Regular expression, just focus on this part, it's very easy. Square bracket. In the square bracket, we will put only those things which might come in the email ID syntax. So I have divided the email ID syntax in three parts, split from the @ and split from the dot here. So if you will see this particular syntax also in three parts: square bracket 1, @ square bracket 2, then dot, then square bracket 3. First one, lowercase character, uppercase character, numerical values 0 to 9. These might occur in the first portion of the email ID, and this one might occur into the email ID. Then bracket band, @ because this is outside the square bracket, so we will not consider this one in the in any other places. This will be mandatory, but outside means this is separating this portion and this portion. @ next is A to Z, lower case, uppercase, and again numerical values. And hyphen can also be the part of this particular thing. Plus we are considering dot. Now we are separating this particular thing with the dot, this dot, and again this is the same, A to Z, lowercase, uppercase. And what does it mean to? This means the last one after the dot, uppercase, lowercase will be there. There is no numerical values here, so we cannot give the numerical values in this last portion. But yes, this 2 means minimum 2 characters. So if I gave this one as this one, this is not a email ID format, because system is expecting last string should be at least 2 character. It is giving only one. If I gave here anything like Q, it will return this one, because this is the email ID format. Next is list. List are mutable sequence of the elements. So in the list, basically what we are doing, list, we are defining some items in the list, and we can add new values, we can remove the value from the list, we can manipulate these values easily. So basically, if requirement is to manipulate the things in the list again and again, we should choose list. If requirement is not manipulation, then choose tuple. I'll come to the tuple set and dictionary later, but just think about the list here. In this line, what I'm doing, I'm showing the list. In the next line, I'm appending date. In the next line, I'm removing the banana. So let me show you one by one. Control X. I have cut this one. First, I'll show you the as it is list. Apple, banana, cherry. Okay, next line is fruit. I'm appending here fruit. Control X. Append date, and I will show you here. So date will append in the last of the last of the list. Here you will see date appended. In the next one, Control Z, banana. So what I'm doing here in the last line, I'm removing banana. So what will be the final list? Apple, cherry and date. Apple, cherry and date. List comprehension. List comprehension also very important part. See, whenever you want to make the shortcut in the programming, you should use comprehension function. So in the comprehension function, within the line you can manipulate the things. Here number is equal to 1 to 5 and I'm doing just a square of all the numbers. So x square 3, instead of let's suppose I'm making it square only because I mentioned here is squared. So squared value will be printed here. 1 square 1, 2 square 4, 3 square 9, all these values will be printed here. 1, 4, 9, 16 and 25. The square of 25 is 25. If I want to make it cube, let's suppose change it to 3. So all the cube value of these items will be printed here. Starting from 1, 1 cube means 1, 2 cube means 8, 3 cube means 27 and so on. You will see the output is here. So basically to do this thing, usually we write a loop, then get the value one by one, then multiply or square or whatever operation, then merge all the values in a list again, then show. But in Python, very quick. List method. List method. So basically what we are doing here, we have the value starting from 10 to 50. All the values we can if we want to find out the index of that 30, how we can get it? So using the index function we can get. So index, what is the index of 30? 0, 1 and 2 index. So let me show you in the this one, 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. So indexes are like that. So if I pass 30 in the index function, it will return 2. If I pass 50 in the index function, it will return 4. Let me remove this code to show the output of this one. So the index of 30 is 2. Control Z. Next line, Control X. I will show you number in after using the reverse function. So reverse function basically reverse the list starting from 50 to 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. The list will reverse. Let me run this code. 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Very quickly. Control Z. Sort function, it will make sort. This list are already sort, but let me manipulate this one to you. I will put 5 here and I will put 1 here, comma 1. Oh, 5 after 5 comma. Okay, so this 40 I will copy from here, Control X, and I will put this one just after this one. Okay, let me see the output. So last function, this sort function will make this string, this list sort. Oh, somewhere is this one syntax error. 10 comma 40 comma this one number. Let me remove this one first. Control X, number dot sort. So somewhere we are making this one 10 comma 40 comma 20. Okay, let me remove some index. I'm not sure where is the error. Then invalid syntax, perhaps you forget a comma. So where I forgot comma? 10 comma 40 comma 20 comma 5. Okay, this one. After 5 there should be a comma because there cannot be a space. See, 530 is also a value. If I remove this one, 530 is a value, but if there is a space, space can never come in the numerical values. That's why. So I put comma after 5. Let me see. So this sort function is making this particular list in a sort format. So sort format can make easily. Now this is ascending order. This sorting is in ascending order. If you want to see in descending order, reverse it. Tuple. So list, you have understood we can manipulate list easily, but tuple is not easy to manipulate. Tuple actually cannot be manipulated. Here I mentioned tuple are immutable. Rahul 30 engineer. If I want to get the value of index 1, I can get. Index will work, because index is easy. From the index on the particular position, what is the value, we can get it. Reverse is also possible, but if you want to add any other thing in the tuple, it's not possible. If you want to remove something, not possible. So if you have something fixed in your mind, use tuple. If you know the things might be required to manipulate in future, use list. Let me show you the example. Easily I got first position, and easily using this index I got this value, and I also successfully reversed that particular tuple, engineer 30 and Rahul. But if I want to add something, not possible. Let me move to the set. Set is unordered collection of unique element. Just focus on this one, unique element. So in tuple, we cannot make the duplicate values. If let's suppose if I put 3 here, system will accept it, but system will consider like that only. So system will ignore second value from the list. Let me show you. Oh no, here 2 commas actually, that's why. Okay, so system is showing here, let me comment this one. So let me print it directly first for you. So a colon this one. Okay, let me print a. First I want to show you print a. One second. Print a. When I print a 1 2 3 only, why this 3 is not coming? Because system will ignore duplicate value. So there is no meaning to put duplicate value in the set. So now union. So union, intersection, difference, these kind of operation we can do using the set. Also we can use set to get the unique values. In case of, let's suppose if I want to, I have already showed the unique value example here, unique union. So union A union B, this is the sign of union. A union B. Now what output should come? Output will come 1 2 3, because 3 is repeating in both the sets A and B, and 4 5. So all the value unique values will come into the output, and this output is from the union. Next is intersection. In the intersection, we are using this syntax. In intersection, what happens? Just think about your mathematics. Intersection, basically the common value will come. So set A and set B has 3 as a common value. Let me show you. Intersection 3. It's very easy. Difference. Now for the difference, A minus B. The A has 1, 2 and 3. B has 3, 4 and 5. Once we will minus, we will subtract B from the A. So A and 1 comma 2 will come, 3 will subtract, but 4 and 5 are not exist in the set A. So what will be the output? A comma B. A comma B, I mean 1 comma 2. Dictionary. So I have completed set, tuples and list. Sets always have the unique values. Tuples can never be modified. We can reverse only, we can get the index value from the tuple. List we can modify, we can insert, update, delete, replace, whatever we want we can do in the list. So according the requirement, use these data structure. Dictionary is different. Dictionary is nothing, it's a key value pair. So let's suppose my name is Rahul, and name will be the key and Rahul will be the value. My age is, let's suppose 35, so age is the key and value 35. Next is, for example, my my designation. Designation will be the key and data scientist will be value. So like that we can do. Here I have given the example. This is key, this is value. Focus on this thing. Age is the key, 35 is the value. Profession is the key, engineer is the value. If I want to get the value of this particular key, so this value of this particular key is Rahul. So Rahul will print here. In the next one, what I'm doing in the next line, I will show you later, but let me cut it and we'll print this one. So what should be the output? Pause the video and think. Output will be Rahul. Let me show you. Name Rahul because I'm using this key. Syntax is very simple. Key and value will be separated by colon, and key value of means the one item, and second item will be separated by comma. And every time in any data structure we are separating by comma only two items. So this is one item only. This is second item, and we are separating all the items by comma. Let me control Z. In the age I am assigning 31. Currently age is 35, but I'm assigning 31. And let me see how it will manipulate. So here I'm using key. Focus on this part. Key is equal to 31. So here it will replace by 35 will be replaced by 31. Age is 31. Dictionary comprehensions. In dictionary comprehensions, as I showed you the comprehension in the list, here also you can do comprehensions. Here what I'm doing, I'm squaring each of the value of the dictionary. This is just a list, but I'm making it dictionary. Square dictionary, each of the value will be the key, and the calculated field, calculated value will be the value. Here let me show you. This is key, okay, I took from this list, and I'm squaring it here, okay, square value 1 square 1. I'm taking second value as a key, and squaring this value here, and square value is here. So I have created a dictionary with key value, and value is just a square value of the key in this example. Array is type of list only, but there is a difference. In the list we can enter any type of value, integer, character, string, but in array we have to define the type of the array. So if you have an example, if like you want to put similar type of value, you will use array. Here I am defining I means integer, so only integer type of value can go in this array, and I'm appending, I can manipulate array easily. Here I'm appending 5, and the what will be the output here, 1 2 3 4, and 5 is appended before printing. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Guys, this is NumPy, extremely useful in the machine learning model preparation, data cleansing, exploratory data analysis. So this is chance to learn NumPy here. This is just a basic syntax I'm showing here, but in upcoming videos I will show the major use of the NumPy. np.array 1 2 3 and 4. So what I'm doing here, I am creating a array using NumPy library. NUMS, this is a variable. Here I have stored this 1 to 4 array. What I'm doing here, I'm multiplying by 2. So each of the value will be multiplied by 2. And the what will be the output? Each of the value 1 multiplied by 2 means 2, 4, 6 and 8. 2, 4 and 6 and 8. So guys, just do practice as more as you can do. Download the Jupyter from the video, and I will share a next video very soon with a good concept of the Python. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the videos.